MDS-Lancet Laboratories is the leading private medical laboratory in Ghana. MDS-Lancet is an ISO 15189-2012 accredited laboratory which provides world-class standard medical laboratory testing, including molecular biology laboratory services. We offer over 4,000 medical laboratory testing services, ranging from routine, highly specialized, and advanced clinical testing, hematology, chemical pathology, microbiology, molecular biology, cytogenetics, histology, and cytology. Our head office is in East Legon, Accra, Ghana. We have a network of over 30 branches and collection points nationwide.
MDS-Lancet Laboratories, key to your diagnostic excellence. The sun will shine some more, you'll never be alone. Lancet will be there when you call.
Contact us on the following: